Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, thank my honorable teacher to give me opportunity to say something about my presentation. And I am Shadar Hussain Miju. My ID 181291193. And my presentation topics drug discovery and development. Now I start my presentation topics. Um, Firstly, I say definition. Drug discovery is the process by which new candidate medications are discovered. Historically, drugs were discovered by identifying the active ingredient. Drug design types. If I say, then firstly, rational drugs. Secondly, computer and assisted drug design, and thirdly, neural network in drug design. Now I discuss history of drug discovery. There are huge drug discovery histories. Um, if I say 1999 herbal drugs, 1970 rose of biotechnology, 1980s commercialization of drug discovery, 1920s, 1960s, 1990s, 1940s, and 1950s. There are huge drug discovery. Now I say drug discovery and the development relation. The current state of the chemical and biological science required for pharmaceutical development declares 5,000 to 10,000 chemical compounds must undergo laboratory scanning for each new drugs appropriate for use in humans. Now I discuss difference between drug discovery and drug development. Discovery and development is how new medications are discovered. In a disease process, molecular compounds, test, exit treatments, unanticipated effects, and new technologies spur drug discovery through the cycle below. Now I discuss drug discovery process. In the fields of medicines, biotechnology, and pharmacology, drug discovery is the process by which new candidates, medications are discovered. Now I discuss drug design. In the most basic sense, drug designs involves the design of molecules that are complementary in shape and charge to biomolecular target with which they interact and therefore will bind to it. Now I say the process of drug development. Drug development is the process of bringing a novel drug from bench to bedside. It can take 10 to 15 years. And now I discuss the phase of drug development. There are 4 phases. And firstly, phase dose ranging on healthy volunteers for safety. Second phase, testing of drug participants to assess efficacy and side effects. Third phase, testing of drug participants to assess efficacy, effectiveness, and safety. And fourth phase, post-marketing surveillance in public. Now I discuss drug discovery and development application. Application vastly find interesting and molecules of untested. And secondly, predicting properties and activities untested molecule. Propose compounds for synthesis and validate models of receptor binding sites. And this is my short presentation. Thank you, sir. Assalamu alaikum.